In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sum only filtered data here in Google Sheets. So if you want to get a total of your revenues based on your filtered data, here's how you can do it. So I have this example table with the car sales. We have the brand, the model, type, region, units sold, and the total revenue for each of those brands. Now, if I wanted to, let's say, filter this data and only show the ones from Asia. So before we filter our data, I just want to see first what my total revenue for this entire table right here without the filter. So I'm going to put in sum, select my revenue column right here. There you have it. It says car sales revenue column. Press enter. And we have a total of over $22 million. Now, let's see if we still get the same total if we filter our data right now. So what I want to do is to filter this table according to region and only have the Asian region shown right here. So go to the column drop-down, select filter column, and go to the bottom where we have a region. Again, everything selected. So we're just going to uncheck Europe and North America. Click on OK. And here we have it. So even though our data is already filtered, it's still giving us the same total. So how do we just get the total with that filter already applied to our data? What we're going to do is we're going to be using the subtotal function. So the subtotal function allows us to get our total revenue right after we have filtered our data. So everything that's visible right here, all of these filtered data are the only ones that will be recognized with our subtotal function. Let's go ahead and change this. So I'm just going to type in subtotal or select it right here. If you're not familiar with the syntax, just click on the question mark and here we have it. So for a subtotal function, we actually use function codes, codes that represent a specific function that you want to use within this formula. So the function code for sum is the number 9. If you're not familiar with the function codes, just scroll down, click on Learn More right here, and it will give you a complete description of this function, including the function codes and what they represent. Here we have it. So again, sum is 9. So that's what we're going to use for our formula. I'm going to close this off, put in the number 9 right here, comma, then just select the range that you want to sum. There we have it. Press enter, and now we have the total of $8,970,000. So it's not over 22 million because again, we are only trying to get the sum of this visible range right here after our filter. If I changed my filter into something else, let's say I'm going to go and just select Europe. Click on OK. And now again, we have a different total because we have a different filter applied to our table. If I wanted to filter another part of my table, maybe the type right here, we just want to see the SUVs. Click on OK. There you have it. Again, another total with our subtotal function right here in Google Sheets. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.